I'm Sean Alexander, the Service Director at Joe Bullard Cadillac, and this is your weekly Tune-Up Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about windshield wipers and the times that you're going to want to change them. Now, windshield wipers are something that a lot of people don't think a lot about, but extremely important, especially in our area because of our weather and the rain and the unexpected rain showers that we get around here. So windshield wipers, one of the main things that you want to check on your windshield wipers is what kind of shape that they are in. If you have any kind of cracking, if they are separating, if you have a split piece that's hanging down, definitely want to make sure to get those changed because it will affect visibility while you're driving. And if anytime you have any kind of major rain showers, if you hear any squeaking that's going from back and forth, if it seems like you're getting kind of a snag on the windshield from your windshield wiper, definitely want to make sure that you take a look at replacing those. Now, you're not going to have any kind of meter that's going to let you know. It's really going to be visibility. If you have any kind of visibility that's not preferable for you when you're driving in any kind of rain conditions, make sure that you get your windshield wiper blades and we can take care of those for you anytime you have any service or stop in, and we'll make sure those get handled for you. We have all competitive pricing at all of our stores on windshield wipers, so please come see us and we'll take care of you today. This is your Tune-Up Tuesday, and I'm Sean Alexander, Service Director at Joe Bullard Cadillac. Thank you.